9 Best Niches to Earn Money on Social Media Without Showing Your Face. Welcome to my channel. Niches like affiliate marketing, digital products, and travel blogging offer lucrative avenues to earn money on social media without revealing your face. Emphasizing content creativity, these niches allow you to build a brand and monetize expertise discreetly. Whether through design, education, or wellness coaching, these non-camera-centric niches enable financial success while maintaining a low-profile online presence. Capitalizing on creativity and expertise, these niches allow entrepreneurs to build profitable ventures discreetly. Health coaching, gaming, and online courses offer additional opportunities, ensuring a diverse range of options for those who prefer a behind-the-scenes approach to online success. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 9. Podcasting. Podcasting emerges as an ideal niche for earning money on social media without revealing your face. Dive into topics you're passionate about, providing valuable insights, interviews, or storytelling. With a focus on audio content, you can reach a broad audience without the need for a camera presence. Monetization avenues include sponsorships, ads, and exclusive content for subscribers. Podcasting allows you to establish authority, build a dedicated community, and generate income, making it a lucrative niche for those who prefer the anonymity of voice over video in the dynamic realm of social media. Number 8. Personal finance and investment. Delving into the niche of personal finance and investment offers a lucrative path to earn money on social media without revealing your face. Share valuable insights on budgeting, investment strategies, and financial literacy. Through blogs, infographics, and informative posts, you can cultivate a niche audience eager for financial guidance. Monetization avenues include affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and creating premium financial resources. Establishing trust and expertise in this niche not only helps your audience, but also positions you for financial success, making personal finance and investment an impactful choice for those who prefer a discreet online presence. By delivering actionable advice and demystifying complex financial topics, the personal finance and investment niche allows you to monetize expertise without stepping in front of the camera, fostering financial literacy and success for your audience. Number 7. Gaming and streaming. Gaming and streaming stand out as lucrative niches for earning money on social media without revealing your face. Dive into gameplay commentary, reviews, or tutorials within the gaming realm. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming allow you to engage with a vast audience solely through your gaming content. Monetization avenues include ad revenue, donations from viewers, and brand sponsorships. Your focus remains on the gaming experience, creating a unique identity within the gaming community. With an array of opportunities for income generation, gaming and streaming offer a dynamic space for those who prefer to stay behind the screen. Number 6. Home decor and DIY. Home decor and DIY present an ideal niche for earning money on social media without showing your face. Share your creative flair through engaging content, including tutorials, design ideas, and budget-friendly projects. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest allow you to showcase your aesthetic without personal exposure. Monetization options range from sponsored content to affiliate marketing partnerships with home improvement brands. By inspiring others with your DIY expertise, you can cultivate a dedicated following, fostering a community around your passion for decor, all while maintaining anonymity and capitalizing on the visual appeal of your creations. Number 5. Health and wellness coaching. Health and wellness coaching emerges as a prime niche for earning money on social media without revealing your face. Share expert advice, workout routines, and holistic wellness tips through visually engaging content. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok allow you to build a niche audience focused on well-being. Monetize through virtual coaching sessions, creating and selling personalized wellness plans, or endorsing wellness products. The emphasis remains on valuable content rather than personal visibility, enabling you to impact lives positively, establish credibility, and generate income within the expansive realm of health and wellness, all without stepping in front of the camera. Number 4. Travel blogging and tips. Travel blogging and tips serve as an enticing niche for earning money on social media without revealing your face. Share captivating travel experiences, destination insights, and budget-friendly tips through blogs, photos, and videos. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube enable you to cultivate an audience passionate about exploration. Monetize through sponsored collaborations, affiliate marketing with travel-related brands, and offering exclusive travel guides. With the spotlight on stunning landscapes and informative content, you can create a thriving community and generate income while maintaining the allure of your adventures without needing to appear on camera. Number 3. Digital products and designs. Digital products and designs stand out as an excellent niche for earning money on social media without showcasing your face. Create and sell digital assets such as ebooks, printables, graphics, or templates through platforms like Etsy or your website. Share sneak peeks and promote your products through visually appealing content on social media, emphasizing creativity over personal visibility. Monetize through direct sales, digital marketplaces, or exclusive memberships. This niche allows you to leverage your design skills, build a brand, and generate income while maintaining a low-profile online presence, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer to stay behind the scenes. Through digital products and designs, entrepreneurs can monetize creativity without appearing on camera. By crafting visually compelling content and leveraging online platforms, individuals can build a profitable venture while maintaining anonymity. Number 2. Online courses and education. Online courses and education represent a powerful niche for earning money on social media without displaying your face. Develop courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, sharing valuable expertise, skills, or knowledge. Utilize visually engaging content, such as infographics and animations, to promote your courses on social media. Monetization opportunities abound through course sales, memberships, or exclusive content. This niche enables you to position yourself as an authority within your field, impact learners positively, and generate income while maintaining a low-key online presence, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer not to be in front of the camera. Number 1. Affiliate marketing niche. The affiliate marketing niche is a lucrative avenue for earning money on social media without revealing your face. Share product recommendations and reviews through visually appealing content, emphasizing authenticity. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube allow you to leverage your audience and promote affiliate links subtly. Monetize through commissions earned on sales generated through your referrals. By focusing on strategic content creation and fostering trust, you can build a steady income stream without the need for personal visibility. This niche empowers you to monetize your influence discreetly, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer a behind-the-scenes approach in the dynamic landscape of social media. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.